All right, I'm working with a client that wants to have a story and a half type style home. So that's basically where you've got the master bedroom on the first floor and you've got an open two-story living room ceiling at the great room. So I'm taking one of our two-story plans here. I got my handy whiteout, my ruler, my pen. I use this stuff all the time. I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform one of our two-story plans into this story and a half plan. And this particular two-story home has it's actually got 3 bedrooms upstairs right now and no bedrooms on the first floor. So I'm going to put the master on the first floor and then I'm going to make it so that there are still 3 bedrooms upstairs, so it's a 4-bedroom home. So here we go. So this is what the exterior of the home looks like. We're actually going to be changing this up to look more along the lines of a kind of custom modern farmhouse look. So we'll do vertical siding, we'll do some metal roof accents. It's going to look a lot different than this, but the main thing that we're doing here, I already started whiting out where the garage is because we've got the garage here. This particular one, they've got the eating area here, kitchen. This is the half bath mudroom laundry room area, living room, office off of the foyer, and then these are the stairs going up. So what I want to do is remove the living space from above the living room and make that an open 2-story ceiling, and then I want to put a master bedroom over here, so I'll slide the garage over. So looking at the second floor plan here, you can see the master's up here on the back of the house. I've got 2 bedrooms here. This whole area right here is basically what's sitting above the living room. So if I were to lay this right on top of the first floor plan, the area, the walk-in closets, master bathroom is what's sitting right above here. So I'm going to take this out of here. So we've got the 2-story ceiling. I'm going to create the master bathroom downstairs. This will become a normal bedroom. So I got 3 up, master down, and that should achieve what we're looking at doing here. All right, so now the garage is completely out of here. I'm going to draw in the master bedroom to kind of be in this area here. Then I'll put the garage back in front of it. And this particular lot that I'm working with is a shallow lot, but it's really wide. So this plan is perfect. Even after I put the master in here, the garage is only going to stick out maybe to about here, and I've got plenty of room to go this way with it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make this area here, this is going to become the laundry room, mudroom, half bath area. And then I'm going to change the configure of the kitchen, have an island looking into the 2-story living room now. Then this is actually going to be the dinette eating area that's bumped off the back. I'm also going to be making the dinette wider. Right now it's 12. I'm going to make that 13 feet wide. And then this is only like 14 feet here, so I'm going to be bumping this wall out by 3 feet. That way it's a nice big open area through here. I'm going to draw in the master bedroom, master bathroom. I think I can make it work better. This is going to be laundry room. This will be mudroom area. I got the half bath in here, and I'm going to redraw the kitchen. All right, so a little tip here. I want to make sure I've got things as close to scale as possible so that when I give this to the draftsman to draw up, it works. And you know, I'm calculating what the square footage is going to be, putting pricing together off this. So, you know, I want to make sure I've got 4 foot between my this is the back kitchen wall, and then where I have my island. I like to have at least 4 feet of room there, maybe a little under that, 3 foot 8 inches. But I can look here, find a 4 foot measurement and know, okay, I'm going to be just under a ½ inch is what I'm going to draw the distance between the island and the back kitchen wall, because I'm going off of that measurement. That way, I make sure things are to scale. All right, folks, and there we have it. There's the first floor redone. Got that 2-story ceiling there. Reconfigured mudroom, laundry room, half bath, kitchen, pantry. Pretty much redrew the whole first floor. And then with the upstairs, it's where the master was. This is where the bathroom was and closet, so we got rid of that, so it's an open 2-story ceiling. Moved all that down here. They needed 3 bedrooms up, so we've got 1, 2, and 3. So we are good to go. I can't wait to send this over to the client. Seal the deal.